Bilis ko nag-quick change, no? Kaya ka quick. Hello po sa inyo, hello po sa mga nasa taas. Maraming salamat. In life, maraming nasasabi na we either win or lose. Di ba minsan mananalo tayo, minsan matatalo, depending on our choices. Oh! Nagdadrama ako dito. In life, nabalik tayo. There's someone who can easily let go. And sadly, someone gets stuck up. But still, the reality is, the winner takes it all. Pwede mo, I don't wanna joke pala. The Asia Songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez! Oh my God, Miss Reg, thank you so much po. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to be part of your very special night, Clang. I was in your very first one. Yes, dyan sa kanto lang. Dyan lang sa kanto. And, you know, back then, I was very proud of you already. Natutuwa ako na ang daming blessings na natatanggap mo at binibigay sa'yo ng Panginoon. Alam mo kung bakit? Bakit po, Miss Meg? Pwede wag mo ngayon. Serious to eh. Because you waited. Yeah! You waited, and you waited for a long time. And I'm sure a lot of those times you were already questioning if it's ever gonna come your way. And finally, it's here. So we are all very proud of you. Lahat ng taong nandito, ang ipinuntan, ikaw. Hindi kami, ikaw ang ipinuntan. Maraming salamat, sir. Congratulations. I just want to say that I'm very proud of you sa maikling panahon na nagkakilala tayo. Sa mga 30 years na, no? Oo. Napakabait po nitong taong ito. Kaya ang masasabi ko lang ay, deserve! Thank you so much, Miss Reg. Alam niyo naman po, isa ko po talaga sa mga inspirasyon ko ever since. Tama ka, Miss Reg, yung unang concert ko na tungkol ka rin po sa kabilang kanto. And to be fair po, parehong walang TF. Ganyan na. Alam kayo, may TF ako! Allah! Yung TF mo napunta sa akin. Ganun po ka-generous ang Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid. Diyan mo naman. Malapit na siya. Thank you for having me, and again, congratulations. May God bless you more. Maraming salamat, Miss Reg. Thank you so much. Once again, Miss Regine.